Okay, a little awesomeness about the latest Lightroom update. So I am working now in Lightroom 12.3, Lightroom Classic, sorry, 12.3. So I'm going to take this image, which it's clearly not awesome. This is from an old camera when I was just starting to learn night photography. So it's really not good. And the noise is absolutely horrible. So what I wanted to point out was now in the details panel, so we still have this manual noise reduction is now a drop down. So the traditional noise reduction tools that you had in Lightroom are still here, so you can still use them. And you can see that I've actually attempted to apply some of these in the past. So let me just bring these back down. Wow. Oh, that's horrible. So, and this is just at 100%. This is not 200%. So you can see the absolute insane amount of color noise in here. It's just something that night photographers really do struggle with. I use a program called Starry Landscape Stacker now for my night photos, which employs a different capture method. But in lieu of that software, I can now save this image with the new noise reduction, the DeNoise AI. Oh, that's original, guys. Anyway, it's going to actually create another image and save it as a DNG. So let me go ahead and click on that and we'll open it up. Okay, so it's showing me a preview. So if I click on it, it's without the enhanced, and if I unclick, it's with the enhanced. You can see there's a little bit of artifact going on in here. And most of that is probably my camera and my lens. Again, I said this was old and I was just starting out. So if I crank the denoise amount all the way to 100, I end up with that kind of plastic look that I don't think is necessary here. So it starts out at 50%, which seems to be plenty. If I crank it down a little bit more, you can see the amount of noise coming back all the way to 1. But even at the lowest levels, it still looks better than what I have back in here. So really, I only need this at about 30 to 40%. I'm going to go ahead and let it create a stack just to keep things organized. I'm going to click Enhance. Alrighty then, that took about 30 to 40 seconds. And look at that meteor. Oh, that looks fantastic. And I can even see a little bit of, sunstar right here coming off of that. And my foreground looks really good. Let's try it on this one. There's another image from the same evening. And again, I tried to do some noise reduction here. So let's reset this. Oh my. So just for fun, I have increased the exposure and the contrast on this image to bring out a lot more digital noise here. You can see how horrible it is. So let's go down here and let's bring our original noise reduction. Oh! Anyway, so let's see what denoise can do. And there we have it. There's the older version. The noise is absolutely horrible, but let's do what I did before and crank up some of the luminance and color noise reduction on that first image. Zoom into 100%. All right, so that's with the traditional noise reduction. Before and after with that, along with the adjustments, of course. And here is the new AI. So here's the original luminance reduction that came with Lightroom. And here is the new AI. That's impressive. I think it looks much, much better. And there it is, new technology saving old photos. Have fun with that.